Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ACB. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of showing these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. That does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Wednesday, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, definitely some updates here need to be done. First, I'm going to do is some house cleaning, just get rid of that line up there. Sure, that level pertains. It's just not relevant anymore. And from a presentation point of view, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. The first update, though, that does need to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they do tend to act as resistance. So going into the near term now, if there is any sort of attempted bounce back to the upside, $5.20 is going to be that near term level that needs to be broken. In the event the price does break up above the $5.20 mark, the next key level of resistance you would want to immediately turn your attention to is that purple line right there, which on my chart is denoting the 50-period simple moving average. So yes, the 50-period is a moving average, is a level of resistance, but that moving average shouldn't be really focused on any further until the price can at least get back up above $5.20. So top priority resistance is at $5.20, and again, then you can turn your attention to the moving average up there at the 50-period. Now, what about levels of support? Well, as far as near-term levels of support are concerned, we got more confirmation today that right down here around $5 and we'll call it 14 cents is indeed that level of support. That is right where the price bounced from a couple days ago. And actually from that, got a very nice bounce. And, clearly that bounce has all been wiped away now. But the point being, the last time the price got right around 5.14, you got a good solid bounce from it. In the event the price does not hold above that level, then as you see here, we are going way back into the chart's history. And in fact, this may be... I believe that's the lowest it's been in, literally several months. So in other words, that 514 mark, definitely very, very important for no other reason. And by no means am I getting fancy or complicated here. So that's very important for, like I said, no other reason other than the fact of that if the price were to push down below there, then that would be implying that the chart is now putting in lows that haven't been seen for, as you just saw there, an extremely long amount of time. So we'll see if the price can hold above it or not. But yeah, as of right now, looking like the bears are picking up quite a bit of momentum. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.